Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 10x plus 25 all over x minus 5 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through step by step to simplify this expression. Let's get started. To reduce the rational expression x squared minus 10x plus 25 over x minus 5 to its lowest terms, we start by simplifying the numerator, which is a quadratic expression. Notice that x squared minus 10x plus 25 is a perfect square trinomial. We can factor it into x minus 5 times x minus 5. Now the expression looks like x minus 5 times x minus 5 over x minus 5. Next, we can simplify the expression x minus 5 times x minus 5 over x minus 5 by canceling out the common factor of x minus 5 from both the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with x minus 5. Therefore, the given rational expression x squared minus 10x plus 25 over x minus 5 simplifies to x minus 5, which is its lowest term. This is the final step.